This is part 2 of our ship tour for Carnival Horizon. Link to part 1 is in the description below, so make sure you check that out before you watch this episode. Our channel has grown by about 200 subscribers just in the past 4 weeks, and I cannot be grateful enough. So first and foremost, I would like to thank you all for joining our community that shares the joy and love for cruising. And if you haven't yet, please smash that like and subscribe button. Special shout out to Sarah Polsinelli in Ontario, Canada, and to my friend Stephanie of California for their support of this community. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. So wherever you are, please drop your name and your location in the comments below, as I'd love to give you a shout out on the next video. Let's begin this tour with something important. A lot of people are unfamiliar about the peculiar elevators on the Carnival Horizon. So to use the elevator, and this is very important, first you have to choose which deck you are going to. It will then tell you which car to get on. The elevator accounts for the number of guests and people on scooters. So you have to press the deck number first, and you have to press them repeatedly as there are people in your group to avoid overcrowding. Don't just get into the elevator, there are no buttons inside, and you won't be able to get to wherever you're going. Now, back to where we left off on our tour of Carnival Horizon. Deck 6 to 9 of the ship are mostly guest accommodations, except for Circle C and Video Arcade on the forward part of Deck 6. Also, on Deck 6 is the Thrill Theater in the same multiplex as the Onboard IMAX Theater. The IMAX Theater is 4 decks high and has comfortable seats just like a regular theater. It's very nice. There are only 2 cruise ships in the world with an IMAX movie theater, and one of them is on Carnival Horizon. Decked and forward are cabin accommodations, and there is a quote-unquote secret deck on the forward part of Deck 10. This part of the ship gives you a full front view. This is usually a quiet area. This is a great spot to watch whales and wildlife, and I love to come here at night to watch the sky, as they tend to keep this area dark. Middle of Deck 10 is the most popular and busiest area. This is where late night parties happen on the ship. Popularly called the Lido Deck, this is where you will find Blue Iguana Tequila Bar, Red Frog Rum Bar, and in the middle of Deck 10 is the main pool of the ship. Guy's Burger and Blue Iguana Cantina are also located in this outdoor area. This deck is very busy, so if you hate noise in your stateroom, book your cabins not directly below this area. Moving towards the back on Deck 10 is the most popular dining on the ship. The Lido Marketplace is where you will find made-to-order deli, soft serve, and buffet that serves 3 meals every day, and late night snacks at 11:30 p.m. to 1 o'clock in the morning. Gelatos are also served here every day during lunch until 2 p.m. Dozens of food options and great choices like barbecue, salad bar, and Asian station can be found here. There is both outdoor and indoor sitting in this dining venue. You're welcome to hang out here 24/7, and they serve coffee and tea 24 hours. The outdoor area of Lido Marketplace is where you'll find Pizzeria del Capitano, open almost 24/7, and the Seafood Shack that serves up specialty seafood items for a nominal fee, and the Titus Pool located at the very back of Deck 10. Kids Club Camp Ocean is on Deck 11, and so are Chi-Chi's Asian Kitchen and Italian restaurant Cucina del Capitano, just above the Lido Marketplace. These are upcharge restaurants for dinner, and they are called Mongolian Wok and Pasta Bar during lunch, serving complimentary items. Now on to Deck 12, offering a floor to ceiling and a front view of the ship is the fitness center. It is well equipped for your workout needs, and in the same area is where you can find the spa and thermal suites that can be accessed for a fee. Middle of Deck 12 is the water park on the Carnival Horizon. This is where Waterworks and the Twister water slides are located. This is a very popular recreational activity on the ship. So, as a tip, If you want a quieter cabin, make sure your cabins are a bit away below the waterworks. Other activities, including the Skytrack, Sky Greens, the Clubhouse, Sky Fitness, and Sky Court, are also located on this deck. In terms of naming, above Deck 12 on Carnival Horizon is Deck 14. This is the spa deck. In the forward part are the spa accommodations, cabins with special access to spa services, and located in the aft part of Deck 14 are more outdoor activities where you can challenge your fear of heights. These are my favorite activities on the ship, and I always get on these rides every time I'm on the ship. Skyride takes you around the ship on a pedal-powered bike that's suspended above, and of course, the rope course challenges your balance and navigation skills as you navigate your way on a tightrope. Deck 15 is the highest deck and only occupies the front part of the ship. Here, you can find the Serenity. This is a 21 and above only retreat. They have shaded cabanas, umbrellas, and tubs that are only for adults. Serenity has a salad bar that is open during lunch. This area tends to fill up quick during sea days, so make necessary plans of being here early if you want to find your preferred spot. This wraps up our tour of Carnival Horizon. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please smash that like and subscribe button, and please leave your name and location in the comments below so I can give you a special shout out on the next video. As always, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.